Tonight is the premiere of the UAlbany College Tour episode. So excited. It's the first time I'm ever seeing it.
Before we get to the premiere, it was high time for the ballroom to have a significant renovation. And now it is a space for us to be proud of.
I feel honored, honestly, I really do. It feels like the work that I've been doing on campus has paid off and that I have something to show for it.
My dad asked if he could bring air horns and confetti makers, and I said no thank you.
It's crazy being part of something that would represent the whole university community. And yeah, I'm very excited to share my story.
This spotlight, like or purple carpet, stuff like this is very exciting to me. So I'm very excited to be in the atmosphere and get to experience all of this.
Oh my gosh, it's like so surreal because it's like all the lights and everything. But I'm just happy to be here, really, just with everyone and seeing all the other cast members. I'm speechless. This is beautiful.
I tried my best to put a lot of work into it, so I'm very proud and grateful that I got chosen.
And then you get to be here every day as a student. How cool is that?
I'm very honored just to be a part of it and just seeing how important university is in the real world and like what the experiences here I've gained and I'm actually applying now has just really been incredible, and I'm proud to be representing the university.
They can watch it on Amazon Prime Video,
The College Tour website,
And YouTube.
I'm very, very grateful.
Having this as like a big grand thing to start off my semester is really amazing.
That's the thing with the students here. We inspire each other.
I spent 3 years here, and it's like honestly the best 3 years of my life. So I'm so excited to show how much I've loved the university and my time here.
How short?